this is Jill with Off Leash K9 Training, and this here is Johnny. Johnny is a 2-year-old Goldendoodle, and he is signed up for a 2-week board and train program. Johnny was signed up for this program to learn some manners and structure through obedience training. His owner mentioned that some behaviors of Johnny's that need worked on are leash pulling, jumping, and avoidance. Johnny also does have some separation anxiety as well, so this 2-week board and train program is the perfect confidence booster for him. This clip you're seeing here is Johnny's before video. So this is the first thing that we did when we got back from pickup, just to test his knowledge and see kind of where his baseline is. As you can see, he's pretty distracted, but he does know a few of his commands already. We've got tons of work to do, so we'll check back in 2 weeks and we'll see how he's doing.